Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create If I Was a Trend video for TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So this video trend has been exploding on the For You page on TikTok and everyone is doing it. So let me show you how to create this kind of videos. So first, we'll go on TikTok and download a video which is doing this trend. You can basically search for If I Was a Trend on TikTok and tap on any of these videos to get the sound. Tap on the share icon here, then tap on Save Video. Next, you need to download photos which you'll create with this video. There are 14 categories which will follow the same timeline style, but you can do maybe 5 or 10 if you like. On screen, I'll list the following media you need to do this trend. So you need one cover photo, it can be of yourself or something. You need 23 photos of a topic, and the last photo will be the topic answer. Again, on screen, I have some list of topics which you can make videos about. Now the first thing to do is go into your app store and you need to download CapCut. This is a free app, so you can go ahead and search for CapCut and download it. Once that is downloaded, go ahead and open the app. Now tap on New Project here. And here now, select your cover photo. Then tap on Add. Now before we begin, first we need to change the format. So scroll down here at the bottom, tap on Format, and we need to make sure this is 9:16. And now you have TikTok's 9:16 format. And if you look at the image, you need to make sure this image basically covers the whole screen. So you can use your fingers to zoom in. So this will be my cover photo. Now make sure your slider is at the end of the screen. Make sure to delete the last CapCut clip. Now tap on plus. Now you need to import 23 photos. Here, select all the photos which you want to import. Okay, then tap on Add. Now all these will be added to your timeline. Now go through each of these photos and make sure they fit the whole screen. To do this, just tap on the photo and then just use your finger to zoom in. And there you go, you can do this for all the photos which you find in your timeline. Now go to the end of this timeline again and add another photo. Now you need to add the last photo, which is the topic answer. So example, I'll use my photo here and I press Add. Now go back to the front of the screen, and now you'll need to adjust the timing of all the photos as per what is on screen. So the first photo will need to be 2.9 seconds. Then photos from 2 to 12 will need to be 0.1 second long. So basically you can just select the photo and just drag it to the left. Then your 13th photo will need to be 0.5 seconds long. Then your photos from 14 to 23 will need to be 0.1 seconds long. And then your last photo will need to be 0.9 seconds long. Okay, now you need to repeat this for how many topics you want to create the video for. Now, once you're done, go to the end of this timeline, tap on Add here, and we'll import the video which we downloaded from TikTok. Tap on Add. We'll need to extract the audio from this video, so we'll tap on this, then tap on extract audio from the bottom. Now we can delete this video at the top and move this audio to the beginning of this timeline. Now we want to add a text. So I'll add my first text. And you can put down if I was. Then you can change the style as per your wish. The first text will only go for the cover photo here. Then for each topic, add a topic title. So we'll add a topic title here. So in example, I'll put down color. And we'll need to take this all the way just before the 24th picture. Now for the topic answer, we'll need to answer that question. So for example, light blue. So I'll type in half of the word, which is light first. I'll make sure this starts when my 24th picture appears. I'll add another text, which will complete the light blue word. And I need to make sure that comes in when the beat drops. You can adjust your text wherever you like. Now here, take your time and try to adjust it so the second half of the answers appears when the drop kicks in. You do some trial and error by playing and stopping a few times. And then that way you'll be able to properly edit this video. Again, you need to do this for all the topics you've created. Once you've done that, go ahead and test it out. So go to the beginning of the timeline and press play. And that looks good to me. Now, once you complete, make sure 1080p is selected here. And then now you need to tap on the export button here. This will now start exporting your video to your iPhone. And there you go, that's done. Now you can go ahead and open up TikTok, tap on the plus sign, and post your trending video. And there you go, that is how to create If I Was a Trend video for TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.